You ready? Alright guys, so like we said, this is the video where we're going to be actually taking the kayak out for the first time. The seas are pretty choppy. It's about to rain pretty soon. Vanilla is here with me as well. Yeah, in St. Mary on the border of Ocho Rios. Hopefully we can get a successful launch. Today is going to be the maiden launch for this boat. And tomorrow is going to actually be where we're going to actually do a lot more, you know, try to go out fishing and stuff. But today is just the maiden launch. I hope you guys are as so excited as I am. Like, trust me man, it's going to be a whole vibe out here. And I'm just really excited. Choppy waves, hoping for the best. Alright, so we're going to take off the kayak really quick. It's a basic setup that we have here. Got some kayak straps basically. And use PVC because I was not in the mood to shipping a whole, what do you call it? Roof rack thing. So just some PVC. We're going to modify this a bit better. So far it's worked really effectively carrying stuff from Kingston to St. Mary. So yeah, got us from Kingston to St. Mary, which isn't bad. We're gonna make a few modifications. Of course, not use this wooden thing here, but this will keep it braced up and stuff. Yeah, pretty stable, pretty solid. Yeah, we're gonna take it off and give it a test run and see what's up. Spin it from that side. Where I go turn a long way? Eh? Where I go turn a long way? Yeah. She handles pretty well. Guys, I'm so excited. So right now we're just testing it with the paddle alone. I don't have the motor attached, just to see how she sails. And she's managing the water pretty well. I won't lie to you. She's doing pretty good. Alright, let me just adjust my foot stands. You got it? So this boat really and truly is not the best boat for paddling. It works better with a motor. Vanilla, you need to be a trooper. She's very stable. Very stable. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, the guys before they stopped us because they were saying like there's a northeast or northwest wind happening. So as you can see, like this is not good conditions to actually, you know, go far out with your boat. I mean, I could do it, but I'm not, you know, just to stay safe on the safer side. I just wanted to feel how the boat handles in the water. These waves look kind of scary, but the boat is doing pretty well. Like, I feel stable in it. I can rock side to side. I'm rocking it. It's pretty good. Yeah, I can't complain. I really can't. Vanilla is right. Yo, bro. I'm legit scared for her, but she seems pretty cool. I guess after a while she'll, how can I say, get her sea legs. All right, so let's see how fast I can get this to paddle in these very not so nice conditions. Wow, this is fun. I can imagine this with a motor on it. Oh my god. Now we're moving with the waves. Yeah! It's nice, boy. Eh? Okay. May I say? Yeah. It's holding up pretty good. Holding up pretty good. Ready to go back out more, Vanilla? Vanilla up up front on the bow, just like easy. Alright, we got some bigger waves here. Alright. So I'm gonna take it as far as there's a bow over there, there's a buoy, sorry, over there. I'm not going beyond that. Vanilla, don't jump out. She's so curious with the water, it's ridiculous. Pure magic over here. Wow. Yeah, having a good glasses out here is important, man, because even though it's dark, looking off on the horizon and the glistening from the sea, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty bright. So I got the paddles, of course. They're just like a safety precaution because anything can happen. You could be out at sea and, you know, your motor fails, but yeah, gives me a decent push. Can't complain. I just love how stable this boat feels. Like in here right now, I don't feel afraid of these waves to be like, yo, they're gonna topple me over again onto the boat. Vanilla is like literally just laying down there. This is ridiculous. Yo! Eh? And that boy there, me I look for, me now pass that. But you can definitely feel though, like if you go way out in these conditions, like, yeah, the sea will take you away, especially with a paddle now. As I said before, this boat is not really made for paddles, it's made for a motor on the back, which we'll test out tomorrow early in the morning, you know, if conditions allow. Yo, I drifted so far. It's ridiculous. Deep fish? Oh, shit. Yo, it is deep. You know what? The hull get licked too much. It's okay, Vanilla. It's alright. Oh, you have a catch it? Oh. Watch your foot in up. Hard. Thank you, guys. No problem. Hey, man, dog, I say, oh. Wally. Yeah, I say you do a good job out there. But when I say you don't want to go out there, so where black there. When I say you can't catch fish right there, so. I say you can't catch fish right there, so. Wow, really nice. Yo, that was dope, bro. You look good, man, but you fucking camera dark, brother. That's fine. Yeah, we definitely need to put the wheels funny. Yeah. Because the wheel will make your life easier. Look at Vanilla. She jump out. Jump out? Yeah, I don't know say look funny. It's fun in our life. Like big is kinda hard to get used to. No, it's kinda They kind of worry. They kind of worry if it could go topple over, but it balance. Whoa, guys, let me tell you, man, the rain caught us out there, but yo, that little kayak is like really fun. I haven't even put on the motors yet, just paddling. The weather isn't the best, to be quite honest, and yo, it was really fun. Like my cousin's like, yo, we can put it back out there. I think maybe not. So right now we're just basically under like a fisherman stop. Catch some fish out there. These are red snappers, I believe. Yeah? Vanilla just down there, so right now she's a little bit wet. Looking out to see. You want to go back out to see Vanilla? I don't know. maybe not. Yeah, so under this little hut right here, getting some shelter and some almond trees over there as well. So yeah, I think this might be it. Might head up to the place as soon as this rain stops, and then tomorrow bright and early, depending on the weather conditions, we should be out here. All right, so basically what the fisher guys are saying just now is that northeasterly winds that's over there, that's the deadly winds. If you go in that, then that's it. And northwest is like the best time to go fishing. I came here at a pretty precarious time because right now there's how can I say, we have like storm clouds like for the next 3 days. So we'll see how this goes though. But we can see a lot of bait fish somewhere off there just hopping, and over there, and you can't see it on the GoPro, but way over there bait fish are just going off. But the sea looks really flat now. It should have been like way better conditions to take the kayak out in. Yeah, but as we have been told though, like we can basically, we don't have to go really far. We can go like maybe not to the horizon, but just where the turquoise goes into like the navy blue out there is perfectly fine. You can catch fish. So yeah, there is some hope for this weekend. What do you think? Eh?
I see the little stuff when they say I build up and over that they side they gone all the way down there for now.
Yeah.
And the fish look active still.
It does, but the part that trips me out is when he's talking about the wind. Like, how do I know if it's north? Well, I can check the app.
What is it? Come. Come.
What? Yeah, so cool rule of thumb. Guys, my cousin is like so intrigued on going back out to the sea. Right now, it's a lot flatter than before. It would be cool, but it's almost sunset, so we're gonna call this a day for tomorrow. And we're gonna be here really early, maybe about like 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning, so we can probably just anchor out there because the sea looks really good right now. Alright guys, some guys over there are going crazy over Vanilla, and Vanilla's running on a dog. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because Vanilla is being mischievous. Remember 2 things: love, nature, adaptation, as I'm cute. Vanilla, cue the link.